All right, what's going on, guys? My name is Logan with West Desert Wheeler. Today should be a fun unboxing because I don't know what's in this box. This is a Vanquish Trucks of Freedom promotion that they did just after July 4th this year in 2024. Now, they have done Trucks of Fortune and Trucks of Freedom before, and they also did Wheels of Fortune originally. The only thing I've ever purchased through this is actually a pack of Wheels of Fortune, and truthfully, they weren't my favorite combination. They were a bronze 105 with some blue IFRs. I just didn't put the blue IFRs on. They were a fine looking wheel outside of that. So this Trucks of Freedom, you can no longer buy Wheels of Fortune. So you have to buy a whole pack. And this year it was $650 to do this. But they promised that you get $8.99 in retail value of products inside here. So you know, pretty good deal, pretty good discount. The only catch is you don't get to pick what you get. And other cool aspects of this is that they're going to ship out limited edition things. Like they will do limited runs on colors that you can't buy from Vanquish, but it's a genuine Vanquish part. So that's pretty cool. So you can get things like purple wheels or an off like desert tan color. They call that dark earth. We're gonna get into that in just a second. But yeah, I got one. So part of this is people online in the Facebook groups try and guess what they have coming before it shows up. And how do they do that? They check the tracking weight on their packages. So mine shipped out. I gotta say that I'm really bad with shipping anxiety. I hate having things on the way. Like I want them to be here already. I try not to track things way too many times, but on this one, I tracked it way too many times. And part of that is because it said it would get here really quickly, which is great, you know, but I didn't believe it, and it did get delayed a day. So unfortunately, this video is coming a day later. Won't make any difference to you guys though, but I had to struggle through that. So if you guys relate to me, you know what I'm talking about, and I'm excited to have it here at least. Now, before we tear open this box, there is another thing that I wanted to kind of bring up, and I was talking with Brandon over at Vanquish, and I think it's really interesting that Vanquish does this, but I was thinking about like, is there another brand that could really pull this off? Just Vanquish itself has such high quality trucks and kits, and then really high quality upgrade paths for those trucks and kits. It's really cool to see like the combos that the people are getting, but I don't know that there's another brand that can do it at such a high value like this, where like pretty much anything I get from Vanquish, I'm going to be pretty stoked on. You know, like Axial makes great trucks and stuff, but they don't quite have the upgrade paths like Vanquish does, especially not with their aluminum upgrade paths and whatnot. So, I mean, RC four-wheel drive, their mystery boxes have been known to be horrible, but they do have cool scale accessories and stuff. If they just kind of figured out and coordinated things a little better, you could probably get something decent. But for me and my style of driving, I don't care that much for the RC four-wheel drive trucks. I've owned a Marlin before, it was fun and whatnot, but like getting a random RC four-wheel drive truck, I don't know about that. So pretty interesting. I just think it's cool that they're able to do this. This year they have been pretty hard to get a hold of. Now, I did pay the full price for this kit. So if I am upset in any way, I have the right to be, you know, that's fine. So I don't think I will be. I've thought about it pretty well as far as like what could be in here and ways I could use it on the channel. Now, I already own multiple Vanquish products, so this could be a cool way to have like a comparison of like A truck versus B truck and see how different modifications do on them. But we're gonna find out what I've got in here. Now, what do I want? What would I like to have in here? So I did check the tracking weight and it showed heavier, so I was pretty confident I was going to get an RTR. This year they have been sneaking in dual kits. So some people got kits and they got two of them in a box. So that kind of offset the weight a little bit and maybe fooled a few people into thinking they got RTRs, but they got two kits. So that's a pretty cool way to go about it as well. I'm pretty confident I have an RTR from the first time I checked the weight on here. I would really like a Fordyce. Now, I've seen a lot of people complain that they're getting Fordyces, but I don't have a 410 platform right now, and I would really like to get one. As far as the upgrade paths go with it, I would love it to be a Fordyce with a pack of Wheels of Fortune. And going down that path, I would love it to be Dark Earth. So I don't really care. If I'm getting real specific, I'd like some 105s, some 101s, maybe Riots in Dark Earth. But I've got I think I have an RTR in this box. It's time to find out, guys. Let's crack this thing open. It is still sealed, so you're gonna see me cut it open here in just a second. We're gonna find out what showed up in my Trucks of Fortune this year. Trucks of Freedom, apologies, July 4th. Freedom! I suppose I should say that my second choice on an RTR would probably be an optic, and I want to do a custom build with the axles from it. I could rear steer my existing optic because I already have one. Really, the RTR I would probably have the least use for, not necessarily that I don't want it, would be a stance RTR. They're great trucks. It's just that I literally have a VRD stance there, and then I have 2 other Class 2 trucks that I really don't need. So another Class 2 truck showing up, the real problem to have, right? But just not quite what I need. Now I'm gonna kind of try not to spoil it just yet. I want to reach in and see if we can find some upgrades in here and see if we can figure out what we've got before I actually see what's in here. Okay, we got some packing paper. I don't know if I opened the right side of the box. Might have opened the wrong end. It would appear so. So, oh, I didn't quite see. Let's try this side. You would think the Truck of Freedom tape would be the one that you need to cut. Benchmade bailout. My good old letter opener. That's all I do with it. I think I might have saw a little sneak peek there. Okay, packing list. We'll ignore that. Where are the things? Okay, they're on the end of the box. So, something large. All right, what do we got here? Okay, we got some limited edition color rod ends. Trucks of Freedom, little laser engraved card here. Looks like we have a light kit, some drive shafts, and with the light kit, I'm assuming this is a Fordyce, which I would be very, very happy about, because the light kit, oh, it says Phoenix. Ooh, interesting. Trucks of Freedom 2024. I got mine in silver, so not even anodized. There we go. Let's take a look here. Light kit, yep, is what that is. We got some rod ends. Blue on blue. Sweet. Those are good looking. I'm a fan of the blue. Purple's limited and hard to find. Uh-oh. This might give it away right here. Okay. We got knuckles. So black aluminum knuckles. And then some drive shafts that fit the stance, the VS410 and all that. So I'm quite confident we got ourselves a Fordyce in here. And we got aluminum knuckles for it, a light kit, some rod ends. So let's take a look in here. We got a VS410 Fordyce. Oh boy. And even more importantly, I missed a package in here. And I got Wheels of Fortune as well. Not every truck got Wheels of Fortune this year, so I'm really stoked to see that. But VS410 Fordyce, I wonder what color I got. I would prefer gray. Let's find out. There's a picture of a gray one on it, but let's see where it's marked. I don't know where it's marked. RTR gray, sick. That is my choice there. Well, sweet, so far, super stoked. I got a Fordyce, and I got the color I wanted, so double bonus. I forgot to mention that earlier on. Now is the real question. I was a little concerned for a second when I saw the other upgrades here, and I was like, that seems a little light, guys. But finding out that I got Wheels of Fortune in there as well, pretty stoked. Light blue rod ends. They do have a limited edition anodized light blue wheel. Truthfully, not my favorite, although I haven't seen them in person. So Let's see, whose truck do we have here? We have the Falcon Phoenix, so pretty cool. Package includes one set of hand-selected wheels. So guys, let's open up our Wheels of Fortune and find out what we got in total here. That's cool though. I'm stoked I got the Fordyce, I really am. I had one before, and there's videos of it on the channel. I ended up making a trade for another RC that I was trying to buy at the time. So ended up trading him my Fordyce as part of that. Let's see if we can find some smaller things maybe that I can pull out. Okay. OMF 1.9 Phase 5 bead block black anodized. Those are sick. I like that style. Good looking bead lock ring there. OMF, so there's no IFRs with these, but black rings here. Should be a pack of hubs. Yep. These are 350s in silver. I much prefer black hubs just to kind of make them disappear. Okay, I got 2 sets of wheels here. Let's find out which wheels we got here, guys. All right, we got some gray 105s. So gray has been hard to find in stock actually, so I'm not mad at that at all. These wheels with those black rings on a gray Fordyce, those will be money. So not limited edition wheels, that's just fine. I got some cool rod ends for that. Got ourselves a light kit. We're gonna get this thing lit up at night. Got a nice set of drive shafts. I'll probably have to get myself a set of lightweight VFD gears for this thing with extra overdrive, but happy to have another Fordyce in the stable, truthfully. Super stoked on this, truthfully. Like I like that. And absolutely did not get to pick any of this. I was nothing special. I was barely able to even get one at all. And that was paying full price and stuff. They just sold so quick. I did talk to the guys at Vanquish and they just were like, yeah, if you want one, you got to go buy one. So I went and bought one. So I did want one this year. This is going to be a killer combo. Got black knuckles for it. The straight axles on there. I knew it was a straight axle truck when I saw these knuckles. So overall, super stoked. That would be my Trucks of Freedom for 2024. Hope you guys enjoyed the little breakdown there. Hopefully remained, you know, as interesting as it was for me, because I had no idea what was showing up. And you just sit there as it's in the mail and you're like, what am I getting? Is it going to be a stance? I don't really want a stance. What if it is a stance? What am I going to do with it? So pretty fun. Overall, a great time. I do have a 2.5-year-old, so if it was a stance, he was probably going to get his first truck. But for now, I think I'm going to keep this one for myself. So thank you guys very much for watching. I really appreciate it. Thanks to Vanquish for this awesome promotion. Was able to save a bit of cash. Got a random truck, some sweet wheels, some sweet rings, some nice upgrades on it. And yeah, that's going to go ahead and wrap it up for us here. My name is Logan with West Desert Wheeler. I really appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep the rubber side down.